Start. The permission to occupy was subject to the occupants paying the electricity and water consumption charges to local authorities. Stop. Defendant number 2 contains the claim for partition in all force. Stop. The trial court, on the above pleadings, framed 7 issues and, in the present consideration, we are of the view that the first 2 issues are relevant. Stop para. The Hindu joint families settlement concept is not applicable to the parties in this case, but legal heirs settlements can only be treated or related to the adjustment of shares in the property. Stop. So, plaintiffs 1 and 2 and defendants 1, 2, 3 could not enter into a settlement relating to a property in which the second plaintiff is not a sharer. Stop. The transaction in Exhibit A6 must be considered a gift by all co-sharers in favor of the second plaintiff with regards to half a portion of the suit property. Stop. The restriction as regards the gift of an undivided share may not be applicable to the facts of the present case. Stop. Merely because the nature of the suit is one of the partitions, it cannot be said that an undivided share was given to the second plaintiff by the other parties to the suit. Stop. The trial court has categorically held that all the 5 executants of the document resolved to give the western half portion of the house to the second plaintiff. Stop. Exhibit A6 further reserved or postponed the division to a convenient date. Stop. Therefore, the gift cannot be considered as a gift, and the gift is pure and simple. Stop and para. Section 129 of the Transfer of Property Act exempts the application of Chapter 7 on Mohammedan law. Stop. Gift of property under Mohammedan law by hiba need not necessarily be through a registered document. Stop. While the saving provision under Section 129 of the Transfer of Property Act would save the validity of a gift other than under a registered deed, it does not exempt a document from registration and from levy of requisite stamp duty if there is the creation of interest in the immovable property in favor of the done. Stop. The non-registration of the document would make Exhibit A6 inadmissible. Stop. Though the contents of an unregistered deed can be considered for collateral purposes, it cannot prove the transaction covered by it from the terms mentioned in the document. Stop. Exhibit A6 is not executed on the requisite stamp paper, so the contents even for collateral purposes cannot be looked into. Stop.